Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatima Zaha from Tidawan, and here I want to explain and learn together about the seven learning models and example. So the first one, what is a learning model? A learning model is a framework that describes how an individual or a system acquires and retains knowledge or skill. It provides a structured approach to understanding the learning process, enabling the design of effective teaching methods and training programs. The first is direct instruction. This model is teacher-centered. The teachers explain the material clearly, provide example, and then students imitate or practice. It's suitable when teachers want to convey basic concepts, procedures, or specific skills quickly and in a structured manner. Example, the mathematics teachers explain the steps for solving linear equation problems. Then the students work on practice problems based on the example given. The second is cooperative learning. This model emphasizes collaboration among students in small groups to achieve shared learning goals. Each group member has their own role and responsibilities. It enhances social skills, communication skills, and respect for the opinions of others. For example, in social studies lesson, students are divided into groups to discuss the types of jobs in the surrounding environment. Then the results are presented to the class. The next is problem-based learning. Students learn through the process of solving real-life problems relevant to everyday life. This model encourages critical, analytical, and creative thinking. The teachers act solely as a guide, enabling students to find their own solutions. For example, in science class, students are asked to find solutions to reduce plastic waste at school and create a simple action plan. Nah, the next is discovery learning. So, students discover concepts through their own observation, experiments, and reflection. The goal is for students to better understand the material because they are directly involved in the process of discovering the knowledge. So, for example, science teachers gave an experiment on gravitational force without first explaining the theory. After the experiment, the students conclude for themselves what gravity is. So, the next is inquiry learning. Similar to discovery but focus on the process of asking questions and investigation. Scientifically, this model trains students to think logically and analytically and to detect the validity of data. For example, in biology class, students are asked to investigate why plants in birthplace grow faster but are weaker than were a report on the result of the investigation. The next is project-based learning. Students learn through real-life projects that must be planned, executed, and presented. This model emphasizes collaboration, creativity, and responsibility in producing a product or piece of work. So, for example, in arts and culture class, students create Video projects about local culture and fashion were listed in class. And last, blended learning. So, blended learning is model combines face-to-face learning with online learning. It's suitable for use in the digital age because it's flexible and utilizes technology as a supplementary learning medium. For example, an English teacher teaches in class, then gives additional assessment via Google Classroom in the form of listening comprehension videos. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.